Hello everyone, welcome here. So today we are going to learning and exploring something about Restful API. So what is Restful API? So who are interested to learning programming and coding. So learning programming and coding are very easy who are already inside the field and who wants to make them career into transforming into the next level. So for this, the learners are already in the professionals who are inside the coding. So they want to switch their career into next level, how it is possible. These RESTful APIs will help you to take you the next level. So representational state application programming interface. These REST APIs majorly will help you to learning the things and communicating together with the different architectures, maybe Java application, Python application, or any other code or any other server environment. You could communicate easily using this REST APIs. When to create a mobile applications or any other independent apps you want to create. So using REST APIs communicating together is super easy. So you should try to learn. And if you are watching first time this video lecture from here, please do like and comment your views if any. And now come to the picture. So RESTful APIs, when you are learning, majorly you have to focus on which area, which platform using to developing RESTful APIs. So you are already inside any one of the programming language. It might be Java, it might be Python, or it might be PHP, C#, anywhere. There you could comfortable start learning RESTful API. Here I would like to explain you using Python, which is the most popular nowadays in the industry, to learning RESTful APIs using Django REST framework. So using this, you should start learning and focus on the 4 methods which are most popular in APIs, which are put and a create method, put method, post method, delete, and also there is a get. These method you try to start and explore it. Good luck.